Hello and welcome back to our channel. My name is Paula, and in these summer months when it's very hot outside, I like to use my crock pot. And being on keto, it also needs to be keto friendly. And so today I'm going to show you how to make the Mississippi pot roast. I'm sure a lot of you have heard about it, and if you want to see me making it and what it's all about, then keep watching. If you're new to our channel or you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Help me out on my channel. YouTube wants all of the interaction that I can get. My videos include videos about teaching ESL online, tips and tricks about makeup from someone who is just learning and is not a makeup artist, but is just wanting to make sure that my makeup looks good, and some new ways to do my makeup. And I know that today it looks probably a little wild, but I was having fun with it, and it matches my tie-dye shirt. And this is VIPKid, the ESL company that I work at online. And if you're interested in that, I'll put a link to it right here. I also do makeup box subscription unboxings, and I'm starting to do these keto videos to film me along my keto journey, to give you tips and tricks along your keto journey so that we can do it together. And if you're interested in any of that, give me a thumbs up. So I'm fixing to make a Mississippi pot roast. Many people do it in many different ways. And I'm going to tell you right now that I am what they consider lazy keto. So I don't always make my seasonings and things from scratch like those that are on hardcore keto do. I buy it just buy it from the store. But I'll tell you, I have also lost weight. And in my first week, I've already lost 6.6 pounds. And yes, I ate this roast. And that's in 1 week doing this. And you can do it too. So just keep watching and follow along, and you will see how I made the Mississippi pot roast. Here are all the things that are in the Mississippi pot roast. And I already have my roast in the crock pot. I already have my roast in the crock pot, so the next thing I will add is the chicken broth. Normally I would not be adding this type, but it's the only kind I had and I didn't want to go to the store. Then add 1 stick of margarine. You notice I just plop it right on top. It's as easy as that. Then I add a package of the au jus gravy, and I'll just sprinkle it on top of the butter. The dry ranch dressing mix is next. Now you put in the pepperoncinis. I like to have a little bit extra to eat, and so I put in more than the recipe calls for. That's all there is to it. Now cover it with the lid to your crock pot, and we'll set it and let it cook and do its magic. I put it on in the morning, and then I put it to low temperature and let it cook all day. Later that evening, we open it up, and look at that. It all blended together while it was cooking. Now I'm going to get the bone out. Most roasts don't have a bone, but ours did. Now I'm going to work on getting the roast out and putting it in a pan. I'm going to take 2 forks and just start separating the fat from the rest of the meat. My family will not eat the fat, but I will because it's good for you on keto. Then I just keep shredding and shredding until it's the size that I want to serve. Now that I'm through with the roast, I'll go ahead and get out the pepperoncinis, and I will put them in a little container. Some of my family eats them and some of them don't. So those that are left over, I will keep to eat myself for later. If you didn't watch my video about cooking out, I'll put a link to up in the corner. But I made extra veggie packets for my family because I knew that I was going to be needing them to go with this roast today. So here they are. And this is a salad that I made for myself with just the 2 types of squash and just regular olive oil mixed in with some garlic, salt, and pepper. And here's my plate with my veggie salad, my meat, and my pepperoncinis. How easy was that? Easy, right? You can do this and your family will eat it also. It's a great way to just throw something in the crock pot and leave it and go to work or go to church or just go about doing your things around the house since we're in quarantine. But you don't have to heat up the oven. Let me tell you, it's delicious. What do you think? Do you think you would like it? Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried it? What differences did you do in your recipe? Also add that in the comments below. And remember, be the beauty you are meant to be. Thank you. Bye-bye.